I once lived next to a guy who painted his mailbox rainbow and installed a disco ball in his shed. We thought he finally lost it, until we realized his DIY parties were better than our weddings. That guy? He would absolutely live in today's tiny house. Welcome to the Foxie by Foxie Tiny Homes, a 24-foot-long, 7.3 meters, rolling burst of color, creativity, and what the heck did they use that for? Genius. Now, this Foxie might look like a jelly bean with a mortgage, but under that handcrafted cedar siding and custom Dibs Deco wood art is a house built with serious brains. First of all, it's got a real living room. Not just a bench and a pillow with dreams. No, this lounge is elevated. Literally. It's on a raised platform, giving separation from the kitchen while still keeping the flow open. Two slim vertical windows provide privacy from nosy neighbors, and my buddy Steve, who once walked by my window in snorkel gear. Indoors, natural light floods the place thanks to a big window near the stairs, glass door inserts, and an impressive amount of loft-level windows. I believe this house has more windows per square foot than my last apartment had forks. Now, let's talk kitchen. This thing slaps. White birch and sapelli butcher block countertops. L-shaped layout with a legit breakfast bar. Yes, it fits two actual humans. And a matte black sink with gold tapware. That's right, gold. It's like James Bond and a lumberjack designed it together. And oh, the bathroom? Sliding emerald green door, colorful floral backsplash, and matte black accents that make you feel like you've walked into a spa owned by a tattooed ceramic artist. Now let's not forget function. You've got under-deck storage, luxury vinyl plank flooring, painted pine walls, cedar ceilings, and proper heating and air conditioning. This tiny house isn't just a looker, it's livable. The original 2022 model sold for $129,000 USD, around 118,000 euros. And they even rolled out a bigger 26-footer the next year, just in case your socks need more shelving options. And hey, if you gotta laugh, learn something, or just stay to the end hoping I'd fall off the stairs, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel. It's just $1, and it helps us keep the jokes bad and the info good. Links right there in the description. Unlike Steve's snorkel, it won't surprise you.